here we go. About to give this line lock a try, see how it works. If these things weren't cashed out before, they definitely are now. That's crazy. Big ass chunk. What's good, everybody? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie, you feel me? And as you guys can see, here is the 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack wide body. Been a while since I said the whole thing, huh? But yeah, man, you guys see it. And basically what I'm doing right now is I'm getting in all the videos that I can on these old ass tires. Well, they ain't even that old. It's been like 6-7 months. But you know how we do things. I'm getting the new ones put on tomorrow. So we're getting in all the videos that we can with these ones before they're gone. But before anything, you already know how we got to start it. Get a little startup for you guys. See the red guts. So yeah, man, what we're doing is we're gonna try out that line lock, baby. You feel me? We're gonna do basically like a line lock versus just regular burnout. So like I said, that's what we're getting in all the videos that I don't want to do on brand new tires. So these ones are a little worn out. You know, they're not all the way wore out, but for the stuff that I do, you know, little trips to Mexico and all that, definitely need some new tires. I got some dope ass runs coming up, so those new tires are mando. Getting those put on tomorrow. I know it's been annoying. Everybody's been waiting. I've been saying it for way too long. I need new tires every single video. Well, I'm finally getting new tires, man. And by the way, you know, I got the merch. You see my sweater, man. The merch, the brand, the clothing brand, you guys see it, baby. We got sweaters, we got hats, we got everything. So go check it out if you guys want to support. I appreciate it greatly. My gaming channel is live. Streaming starts on the 10th, around the 10th or so, you know, once the new consoles come out. So all links are in the description if you guys want to support, if you're interested in that stuff. And if you enjoy this content, then like, share, subscribe to this as well, because about 80% of the people who watch my videos ain't even subscribed, man. And that's a little crazy, man. I'm gonna need you guys to do me that favor, man. I appreciate it greatly. Thank you guys so much. But we gotta go pick up my cousin real quick, because he's gonna help me film this. You dig? Because you know we gotta get the outside view and the inside view. So that's where we're gonna go right now to go pick him up. And from there, we'll take a little trip to Mexico real quick, and we'll do what we gotta do, baby. People going mad fucking slow. By the way, though, I just did my first drift video, so if you guys are interested in that, go check that. I've just dropped that. Like I said, I'm getting in all the videos that I can with these wore out tires, because I'll do more of them, but I ain't gonna do it right away on brand new tires, you know? That's kind of like, yeah, I don't know, I ain't with all that, man. The way my bank account is set up, you know, I got a check-ins and the savings, and you know, you guys know how that goes. What up, though? I see you with the young merch. My man, you guys see it? I would say usually when I have people on the channel and shit, I would say like, go follow them on IG or anything, but my boy right here, my cousin, ain't got no damn IG, man. I've been trying to get him to get one for mad long, trying to send him funny ass shit, but he won't do it. And if you guys haven't seen the video that I did with my cuz right here, you know, go check that out. Took him on a little canyon run. You feel me?
Yeah, that's just I don't know about going again though.
Hey, I was just gonna say we got more coming up. You know, once I get the new tires. Yeah, so I've never used line lock before, guys, just to let you know. So hopefully this goes pretty smoothly. I know pretty pretty much you should just, all you have to do is hit activate line lock control and it should do the rest for you, but we gonna see. And then stay tuned for the launch control video too. That I could do on the new tires, no problem. It'll actually be better on the new tires. All right, we about to be pulling up to the little spot here in Mexico. And I've done one burnout before. If you guys follow me, you guys seen the content before, then you know I've only done one burnout. Actually, I've done two, because the other day I did a little burnout when I was at a stop sign. But so I'll be able to give you guys a little comparison, you know, what's better, line lock or just, you know, doing a regular burnout. For me, I don't know, my mindset on it right now is like, I'm thinking just a regular burnout is gonna be better just because it's quicker. And like if you're about to race or something, you're trying to warm up your tires, you don't want to fucking have to sit there and play with the line lock and all that. But I don't know, we're about to see how long that all actually takes, how long the process is, you know, if it works right the first time you try it and all that other shit. So we about to see right now. Looks like there's a little traffic over here in Mexico today. I don't know what the fuck's going on. All right, here we go. About to give this line lock a try, see how it works. Let's see. Activate line lock. Say apply brake. Okay, brake is applied. Freaking car coming. Fuck, already burning out and shit. Just trying to get out of that motherfucker. All right, so boom, looks like you have to hold it, apply brake pressure. Okay, press OK, press and hold OK. Front brakes enabled. Continue to hold OK, release brake. Apply throttle. Damn, and here comes another fucking car. Alright, so we holding OK. It says just apply throttle. So let's see. Oh, it said damn, I was supposed to release OK when I was ready to go. I released OK a little too soon. Alright, so now I know. Alright, so apply brake. Applying the brake. See, this just takes too long already. I'm already applying the brake, man. Come on. Alright, there's the brake. What happened? See? I already don't fuck with this, guys. Alright, there you go. Now press and hold OK. Let go of the brake. And here comes another damn car. Damn it. See, if I was just doing a regular burnout, like, we would already been done. I already kind of don't fuck with it, I ain't gonna lie to you guys, but we're gonna do it again. It just takes too long. I think you gotta press real hard down on the brake though when you do it. So we're gonna get it ready. Alright, so I was able to just press it this time. So you gotta apply some good pressure down to the brake. Damn, here comes another one. Alright, so applying the brake pressure. Oh, god damn it. Alright, here we go. Look, we out.
That angle was way better than the first one.
The angle was better, huh?
Yeah, the sun was blocking the first one though.
Damn, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't get to do it how I wanted to, damn, and I forgot to roll my damn window back up. I wanted to go longer in the burnout, but I forgot to damn put my shit in manual mode. That's something I forgot to do because all this other shit was taking so long, and then it made me forget about putting this in manual mode. Just remember guys, when you do any sort of burnout, even with the line lock, without the line lock, put your car in manual mode, or if it's a manual, then you don't have to worry about that. But if it's automatic, put it in manual mode. Whether you're gonna do a burnout or a donut, you know, if you're gonna drift, whatever, make sure it's in manual mode. And you always want to have it in manual mode, actually, not just with the paddle shifters. That way, especially for drifting, because if you're drifting, you don't want to have to worry about shifting with this shit. You want to be able to shift right here, because if you're drifting, the wheel's going to be all over the place. You're not going to be able to know where the hell these things are at. So that's why you want to do it with this. If we could get another good little spot on the way back, I'll try it again. But Mexico was a little heavy today in the traffic, man. But I ain't gonna lie, I don't know, it's just too much, bro. I know it's better for the vehicle. It's better for the vehicle if you do line lock, but it's just too much to go through. You gotta press that, then you gotta hold the brake. You gotta apply good pressure to the brake. You not just press it, but you gotta like press it down a lot. And then you press OK, or you hold OK. And if you forget to hold it, then it cancels it. You gotta start all over. Like, you know, it's just too much stuff.
Yeah, that's a lot.
I mean, it's easy, like, once you know what to do and shit, I guess. But I don't know, when you're just going to warm up your tires, that's just too much of a process. I'd rather do a regular one real quick. All you gotta do is hold the damn brake, hit the burnout, and you're good to go. But I don't know, drop it down in the comments. What do you guys prefer? Do you guys like line lock? Do you like regular burnouts? What do you guys prefer? I know line lock is better for the car because it locks up just the front brakes, so you're not like fucking up your rear brakes, because when you do a regular burnout, you're just locking up all 4 brakes. So when those wheels are spinning back there, it's kind of eating up the brakes at the same time. All right, so we're gonna try it again because the first time was a big ass fail. Okay, so we're applying the brake, hold OK, boom. Now hit, ooh, I almost forgot to do that again. All right, here we go. That one was way better. That was pretty quick. Actually, when you know what you're doing, not bad. That was better, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm about to go reverse again and shit. Oh, it wasn't recording.
Are you sure?
No, I'm just kidding.
What the fuck?
Alright, we good, bruh? Yes, sir. Thank you, bro. Let's smoke up out of here. Hotboxing the motherfucking rubber, man. Sheesh. See if we could get all that smoke back there. I'll have to smoke some weed in here now. Just because now it's going to smell like burnt rubber. Nothing to see here, feller. That one was way better though, huh? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, because I threw that bitch in manual mode. I think I got up to like 3rd gear or some shit like that.
I feel like the one before this was more smoky though.
For real?
Yeah.
I don't know why. It did get smoky hella quick with this. Yeah, we'll see on the video. But it was actually pretty quick this time. Like once you know what to do, it doesn't take that long. So, huh? Actually, so I take it back. Good thing we tried it again, because I would have gave you guys a bad opinion. It wasn't too bad. So now that I know how to do it, and it actually is pretty quick, I probably would go with line lock over just a regular burnout, just because of the fact that you're gonna save your rear brakes, you know. And it's obviously, they put it in the vehicle, so it's obviously gonna be, you know, the best way to do it if the actual manufacturers put it in the vehicle, you know, for that reason, rather than just hitting the brake and burning out. So I mess with line lock, man. Line lock ain't too bad. Should we hit a little donut right here real quick, Doc? Right here's a little spot we can do it, but I just don't know. There's traffic. Oh yeah, there's too much traffic. I was gonna give you guys a little donut real quick. There's a little too much traffic right there, man.
Mexico's popping.
Mexico's popping today, man.
Popping today.
We're about to be back in the States, though. About to be back in Cali. You ain't even know it, man. Kid, that's the good thing about editing and shit. You edit, make some edits, and you ain't even, it doesn't even look like we left. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes people be like, bruh, that shit ain't Mexico. Like, motherfucker, this editing shit. You don't know about my editing skills.
Good.
Yeah, tripping. Yeah, is that a dome fucker?
Relax, fucker.
Shout out to Fresh Kicks. That fool always be saying that. Every time he sees a big ass muffler or something, he's a car YouTuber. He's like, is that a dome fucker? So there it was, guys. That was the line lock. I'm glad I did it again because the last time I did it was way easier. I pretty much knew what I had to do and it was actually pretty quick, you know? So I do actually prefer line lock at this point. Every time I do a burnout from now on, unless I'm like hella in a hurry, I'm gonna try to do it with the line lock. But uh-oh. 12, the block is hot. But I'm feeling a little, I think I might go back to Mexico right now, man. I feel like I want to go back to Mexico and hit a little donut, you know, try to hit a little drift real quick, you know, because I just did that swing video yesterday and I feel like when I was doing it and then on the way back when I was explaining it, like I felt like I did a lot better than I did. You know when you're in the moment and you're inside, you can't really see the outside. It feels like, you know, you're doing a lot better than you actually are. I didn't do bad, but I could have done a lot better. Like I had to get on the gas a lot more and I was trying to control the wheel too much. I noticed like when people swing, they just let the wheel go at a certain point and it just does what it needs to do for them and then they hit the counter steering. So I want to try that out and I want to do it before I get these new tires, man, you know? And I'm getting the new tires tomorrow like I said. So right now is kind of my last chance. I know I'm gonna end up doing it with the new tires eventually. I just don't want to do it too soon, you know? I don't want to like wear them out super quick because like I said, I'm getting some good tires. So I think I'm gonna try to find a good little spot. I'm gonna try to go back to Mexico, find a good little spot, get a little drift in for you guys if I can, man. But hey, like I said, man, you guys seen the merch, the clothing brand, $13.91. If you guys want to support, all links are in the description. Thank you so much to everybody that's been supporting, been rocking the merch, been buying the merch. You know, you see my cuz out here rocking the $13.91 hat. You know, I appreciate it so much, man. It means a lot. The gaming channel, like I said, is live. If you guys want to go check that out, everything I use and recommend, you know, the gaming channel, the merch, all that, it's all in the description down below. If you don't shut your bitch ass up, god damn. But like I said, it's all in the description down below if you guys want to check all that stuff out. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned, baby. We got a whole lot more on the way. As for this one, that's gonna do it. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. Appreciate you guys so much. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Damn. If these things weren't cashed out before, they definitely are now. Jeez, check this out. Look at that. God damn. Look at that shit. That's crazy. Big ass chunk.